What's up everyone, welcome back to USA Auto Trend, the channel where we bring you the rarest, the boldest, and the most iconic machines from every era of automotive history. Today, we're diving into a car that perfectly embodies the golden age of BMW, a car that blended luxury, performance, and timeless design into one unforgettable package. I'm talking about the 1995 BMW E34 540i, a machine that doesn't just carry a badge, but represents an entire era when BMW was at the peak of its philosophy, building ultimate driving machines for true enthusiasts. The 1995 BMW E34 540i was more than just a luxury sedan, it was a powerful statement. Sitting under its hood was the M60B 44.0-liter V8 engine, an aluminum block powerhouse that pumped out 282 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. For the mid-90s, those numbers were serious business, and they gave the E34 540i the kind of acceleration and highway punch that put it in the same conversation as high-end sports cars of the time. With the available 6-speed manual transmission, this sedan could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds, which was lightning quick for a 4-door executive car back then. And if you opted for the 5-speed automatic, you still had an incredibly smooth, refined experience that let the V8's torque shine through. But the E34 540i wasn't just about straight-line performance, it was about the way it drove. BMW engineered this car with near-perfect weight distribution, precise steering, and suspension tuning that balanced comfort with razor-sharp handling. The result was a sedan that felt at home blasting down the Autobahn at high speeds, yet equally composed carving through tight back roads. This was a driver's car in every sense, and the V8's throaty, mechanical soundtrack added to the theater of the experience. Even today, enthusiasts describe the driving feel of the E34 as pure, unfiltered, and mechanical in a way modern cars rarely replicate. Step inside the cabin, and you're immediately transported to a time when BMW interiors were built with driver focus at the core. The dashboard angled slightly toward the driver, a subtle but powerful detail that emphasized who was in command. Rich leather upholstery, real wood trim, and solid switchgear created a sense of quality that has aged gracefully. Unlike the over-digitized interiors of today, the E34's cockpit was simple, functional, and timeless. Everything was placed exactly where it needed to be, with no gimmicks, no distractions, just pure driving focus wrapped in German luxury. The exterior design of the E34 540i was equally striking. It carried the clean, boxy lines of the late 80s and early 90s, but with a touch of elegance and aggression that gave it presence on the road. The dual-kidney grilles, the quad headlights, and the subtle proportions all came together in a way that still looks refined decades later. This wasn't a car trying too hard to make a statement, it was understated confidence, the kind of design that grows on you the longer you look at it. But what truly makes the 1995 540i special is the era it represents. This was one of the last BMW sedans built before electronic driving aids and digital technology started to take over. Driving it feels raw and connected, a direct communication between man, machine, and road. It's a car that rewards skill, that makes you feel every bit of its engineering, and that delivers an experience far beyond just transportation. For collectors and enthusiasts today, the E34 540i has become a highly desirable classic because it captures that analog spirit of driving, paired with the refinement and power of a luxury V8 sedan. When you see one of these on the road today, you're not just looking at an old BMW, you're looking at a symbol of an era when cars were built for the thrill of driving, when engineers and designers prioritized feel and connection over anything else. The 1995 BMW E34 540i is more than a sedan, it's a rolling testament to what made BMW a legend in the automotive world. So there you have it, a closer look at the unforgettable 1995 BMW E34 540i. A car that balanced performance, luxury, and timeless design into one incredible package. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to USA Auto Trend for more iconic car stories, and let us know in the comments what classic you'd like to see us cover next. Until then, keep driving, keep dreaming, and we'll catch you in the next one. Do you want me to make the script even longer